Hello, I'm Leslie Logan, and today I want to show you press down side here on the high chair. So press down side is part of the press down series. There's front side crossover. I really love this exercise. It does help you with going up front, which I will show you here on the high chair as well in another video. If you're looking at this video from the onlinepilatesclasses.com flashcards, hello. I hope you enjoy that we have put together how this exercise can work with your Wunda chair, your armchair, and also mat and reformer. We really enjoyed putting these all together just to help you progress yourself, progress clients, and class plan. So if you have a high chair that doesn't have this backing, it doesn't really matter for this particular exercise, but you do want to have this nice handle here. I stand in the center of the chair with my heels together, toes apart, just slightly. It's not a huge turnout. And then I just lift the inside leg up. It'll land in that same turnout position, but on the pedal. This hand is here. This hand can be here on the side. It can even be behind your head if you need that, right? However, you can get yourself nice and long with a wide back. And then we press the pedal down and we lift it up. Super important that that heel stays up the whole time because it's tempting to lower it down to pull the pedal down. The next thing that's really important is this hip. We want to make sure that we're in charge of this pedal so the hip is not hiking, it's actually staying nice and square, right? So you do about 5 to 10 of these on one side. You'll turn around and do the other side. Sometimes I like to do the crossover in between just because I'm already set up. We'll show you to that in another video. But you'll do this on both sides. If you find that one side is a little bit less connected or needs a little bit more practice with this exercise, then do that side first, do your stronger side, go back to that side. And then check us out at onlinepilatesclasses.com where we do life better.